How to manage your HMO maintenance issues. On this video, I'm going to give you a traffic light system which is going to completely change the game. Simon here, and I've got over 100 HMO rooms, some of which I own, some of which I rent to rent. And on this video, I'm going to share with you a traffic light system which will change the game, and also a couple of other top tips to help you through. So when you've got HMOs or house of multiple occupation, or house shares where people live together, 4 or 5 people, each got a room, share communal spaces, you're gonna have maintenance issues. And the fact of the matter is, a lot of maintenance issues are not a high priority. And what happens is you can start driving yourself crazy when you've got 100 rooms doing all these minor maintenance issues. So we've developed a traffic light system which helps us regulate that, set the tenant's expectations, and then also help us manage it correctly. So let's do this. So green is for minor maintenance issues. These are things that, yeah, it'd be nice to get them done, but it's not the end of the world. So I'm talking about a door that creaks or that's a tiny bit stiff. I'm talking about a kitchen cabinet handle that's a little bit loose, okay? Not the end of the world, and therefore we give them a green and we try and get them done within 2 weeks, okay? 14 days. Great. So what happens is when we give it our tradespeople via our app, yep, we have an app and a system so that tenants can flag issues. It comes into our control center. We then assign it to the correct maintenance issue. And if it's a green issue, we do it for 14 days. So next we've got amber issues. These are things that are not super urgent, but they're more important than a minor thing. And we need to do them within 7 days. So I'm talking about, potentially, some type of light issue that's not dangerous, but is an annoyance to the functionality of the house. I'm talking about a cracked toilet seat. Once again, not a super emergency, but it's going to affect one's ability to enjoy the accommodation. You like that. You like that vocabulary there, yeah? So that needs to be done in 7 days. But once again, doesn't need to be done today, doesn't need to be done tomorrow. Nobody's gonna die. Then we've got the red emergency issues. This is no hot water. This is serious leak, okay? This is serious electrical issue. This is serious access or security issue. These are things we seek to do within 24 hours. But once again, when we send this on to our maintenance issues as a red, as an emergency, they then can prioritize that above the amber, above the green, get it done, okay? And as long as you're communicating with your tenants about the amber and the greens, they're gonna forgive you, okay? And they're gonna appreciate you. So in a nutshell, if you've got a HMO, you need to make sure you implement that right now. It's going to save you time, save you energy. It's going to save your maintenance people from going mental, and it's going to let your tenants know the parameters in which you work on. So thanks very much for watching. Make sure that you smash the subscribe button, you hit the notification bell, and comment below. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one.